create like rather as a programmer or system programmer, what exactly we are supposed to do whenever we are talking about an instruction containing one argument and or two arguments. Fine. So let us move further and let us concentrate on this part specifically with respect to mod 0. So let me write the code. So section dot text. So I'm taking directly section dot text global main. Move. Suppose we say edx, comma ebx, move ex, comma ecx, move esi, comma eax. Okay, suppose we have these instructions, then like we will work out with remaining two later, but let us say we have this. So in this case, this edx is a specific value, register value. Okay, and this ebx would be having some value, and we are going to pick value from that address. Okay, so what are the value that ebx would be? So this would be representing an address, correct? So let us see what it does. So if I say asm dash plf32 120721 dot asm dash l p dot lst. Now let us check this. Now you may see like what happened here. We got A to B as an opcode for these instructions. So ultimately, let us go to this PDF. Okay, and we'll talk about specifically move instruction. Okay, and we wanted what? We wanted this 8B. Okay, so see that 8B here. Where can you see that? Yeah, here. R32 slash RM32. Correct. Now, if it is like this, then if I try to see this instruction, what are the instruction that I got? So let us pick this. I will copy this for a while. Okay, and let us let me paste it here. So this is what we got, correct? So this was our line number 4. Fine. Now, how exactly like we identified that whenever our destination operand is register and source is coming from some RM register memory 32, correct? It would be either represented by a register right now. So if I talk about this 13 specifically, then we will take example of 01 as well as we will take example of 30. We'll take all the examples. Okay, so let us take 13. So if I write 13, how it would be? This would be 1, then this would be 3, correct? Similarly, this would be 0 and this would be 1. Similarly here, so if it is 3, then 0, 0, 1, 1. We have 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, if you see, like if I take this number and let me divide this into groups like mod RM. So 0, 0, then 0, 1, 0, and then 0, 1, 1. Similarly, if I do the same thing for this value 0, 0. Okay, then 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 1. Correct. Similarly, if we go with this, sorry, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 0. Now recall what were the numbers that we had? EAX, ECX, EDX, EBX. Correct. So they let me write the numbers 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, then 0, 0, 1, 0, and so try to see these registers. What are the registers that we have? So like even we had ESP, EBP. So I will exclude them, ESI and EDI. So this was 100, 101, 110 and 11. Now try to see like how exactly this is done. So I can specifically see here that mod is taken as 00. As per the mod, like if I try to see these numbers, what are the numbers that I got? 1301 and 30. Okay, so let me go to that instruction format. Let me show you that table. So you will see that it is picking these values from first term. So what were the values? So if I say first value was 13, so you will see 13 in this table. Correct? This is 13. Correct. Similarly, other number was 01. So we can see 01. Correct. Other number was 30. Even 30 can be seen here. Where is 30, 30, 30? Yeah, 30. Correct. So we are getting that number from there. Now see, what is number for EDX? Can somebody tell me what is number for EDX?
010.
Where is exactly it is seen? Here. Correct. Similarly, if I consider this one, now this is EX. That's why we can see EX here. Correct. Similarly, if I talk about ESI number, this 110 is 110 is here. So whenever you have an instruction like the cross thing which used to work with earlier case where we had move register comma register, it was like cross one. Correct? How? Suppose like for example, if your instruction was something like this, so move EDX comma EBX, then what we used to have is mod used to be like this 011 010. Correct? So the number, the register number used to be in cross. This EBX would be here and this EDX would be going here. But whenever we are having instruction which is considering like some reference of a register memory, correct, which is a 32-bit address. Okay, but the value picked, like what are the value that representation is doing, representation is giving, so that number would be picked from here. So if you see the file, you can see it here, EAX, ECX, EDX, EBX. You are not supposed to write ESP and EBP at all here as in a bracket perspective. That's why it is added. Now why? We definitely would be addressing that part. You can see ESI, EDI too. So like in such a mod, these two doesn't make any sense. Okay, these two doesn't make any sense. What they would be used only when you have them written somewhere here. Okay, but you cannot make use of them in the bracket. What are the bracket part that you generally see? Like I can say that in that mod RM byte, so this position would I will never see as an ESP or EVP here. Okay, they would be occurring in some different form. So we'll talk about it. What exactly that form is. So let me make some small modification in my code. So let me go back here and let me add, say, section dot CBSS. Let me add my data reachd1. Okay, and let me write like this, move EDX comma d word of my data. Suppose if I write like this, now let us see what the change would be. Okay, I simply added a memory instead of register there. Can you see 8B still? Yes, but we got 15. Correct. Now if I try to if I take that example as 8B15. So if I take 15, how it will look like? 1, correct? And then 0, 1, 0, 1. So if I write this like 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 1. Now you can see what is 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0 is EDX and 1, 0, 1 is EBP. But we already saw that EBP cannot be in the bracket. Correct? EBP cannot be in the bracket, but it is saying that it is displacement 32. A 32-bit address is written there as in a memory. then ultimately it is going to pick it as this 1.5. So if I see 1.5 here somewhere, so it is taken with EDX. So if I take instead of EDX ECX, then I should have got 0D. So let me try that one too. Okay, so let me write ECX here. So we'll write here ECX. So that like let us see now change. Now like if I take ECX here, what would be change? Let us try to see this. If it is ECX, then so we have to find out that number, correct? So if it is ECX, so 010 was for EDX, correct? Correct. So what would be ECX? 00001 and then this 101. So what that number would be? It would be something like this. So if I see now this is 0, 1 plus 1 means 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 would be 0D, correct? So if I see the table, can you see 0D here? But now let us see whether are we getting really 0D or not for this ECX aspect. Okay, so let me translate this code. Let me check LST. Can you see 0D displayed? Yes. Can you see 0D? How come this 0D
Yes,
was displayed? How come this 0D was displayed? Because we had ECX here, correct? And we are having a 32-bit value represented as a data form declared either in data or BSS section. And we are picking a 32-bit value here, D word. That's why it showed us that way. Fine. So subsequently, if I take this as 16-bit, then I will write there say something different. Okay, so in that case, table is the value probably might be shown in a different way. Correct? But at least you must have understood now. If I pick a register, how the representation would be. Opcode doesn't change. Opcode will remain same for each of them. Can you see that? Opcode will remain same. So if I now change the instructions to like all move, suppose if I take all of moves to say add. Yeah, somebody was asking question. Till that time I am making the changes. You can ask me the question if you have any.
sir, can you repeat the last part again?
Which one?
The 101, the 0D and 15.
Okay. Yeah. So like what I did was I took ECX. Okay, in my instruction. Sorry, where? Yeah, here. I took EDX, comma my data, correct? And I took ECX, comma my data. So with EDX, what we got was we got that p.lst to be something like this 1.5, correct? Now in this 1.5 case, what happened was when we wrote this 1.5 in a hex form, sorry, in binary form rather, the 1.5 hex was written in binary form and we divided that into mod rm form. So 00 became mod, correct? 010 was mint for register. So what was 010? We know that it was EDX. So because we added that EDX in our instruction, that's why it is taken. Now whenever you have a 32-bit address, either declared from data section or BSS section written in square bracket, because you are picking a value. Correct? Are you there? This is indirect addressing. So if I have written there like simply this, say for example, only my data, then meaning would change. Okay, it would be immediate one. So let me write this one even. If I write my data like this, so let us see what the change is. Okay, as he asked the question, that's why I'm adding this additional information right now. Now you will see like this move EDX, my data became suddenly BA. If I go to my PDF and see that BA part for my move instruction, try to see where is BA. Sorry, it was B. Yeah, A. And we are saying move instruction. Na? Yeah. Try to see where is BA. So BA is not directly there that way, correct? It was picked from this B8, correct? B8 plus the register number is added. Now when we add that register ultimately, what would be the register number for B8? And one may see here we are having a register 32 bit here. Along with it, there is 32 bit immediate data, and that's what this thing would be treated as a 32 bit value, okay, which is to be picked from this address. But this would be letting us know. That means what in this case, my data address will go with EDX, and in this case, value at my data would be picked. So this is the difference between both of them. This would be address. This would be treated as immediate value, and this would be treated as indirect value. So why it is indirect? You have to go to my data, pick the value, and then move it there. Otherwise, what is the case here? What is the address of my data? What is the value my data is at? You store that with EDX. That's why this became immediate, and this became RM32. Understood? That's why the opcode remains same with respect to this, and this would be treated. This my data would be treated as register memory 32, and that's why we could see that this 101 was kept common, and 101 was meant for EBP. So if I see that table ultimately for this mod RM calculation, I do see that this ESP is not added here, square bracket ESP, as well as square bracket ESP EBP is not added here. So this displacement 32. If you are having a 32 bit value added there, okay, in such a case, which is not immediate, which is indirect, square bracket means indirect. Whenever it is there, so if you have either of these register as one of the operand with some 32 bit memory, okay, then these numbers definitely will occur. Which were they? 050D, 151D, 252D, 353D. Correct. You give me randomly any number now, any register. You tell me any register. So we'll pick say for example here we'll pick this ESP suppose, or EBP. We'll pick EBP. Fine. So let me write that code. So we want that EBP code to be displayed what? 2D. Correct. We want to display that 2D here. So let us go to this Emacs. Sorry, I hope I terminated that code. Emacs. So if I take here Control K, Control Y. So if I take EBP, correct? That's what we saw. We had taken that EBP, correct? 2D is here, na? So if I see what is the register EBP, correct? So we are taking this. So we should get 2D there. Let us see. So let us save this code. Okay, and let us translate MASM. Now, can you see 2D there? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can you see 2D there?
Yes, sir.
That means what? You can have either of those 8 registers here. Only thing that if second operand is represented like this whatever is written over here would be probably part of data or BSS section. Am I right? That would be a global variable either initialized or uninitialized. In such a case, always this whole row which we can see with this displacement 32 row starting with this 101, whatever is written over here, 050D, 151D, 252D, 353D would be picked. Okay, and how it was done? So this file justifies that. So like when we saw 0D, it was like this. So we could directly say that this one was ECX. That's why this instruction is containing ECX, and in bracket there is some variable. Correct? There is some variable which is not either EAX, EBX, ECX, EDX, or ESI or EDI. Even neither ESP, neither ESP nor EBP. None of the register is there in square bracket. What I can see with square bracket is only a variable which is declared in either data section or BSS section. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Yes, you can ask if you have any, because this will clear majority of things, because you are going to generate this through your code. These numbers you are going to generate if I give you this kind of code. You have to write that code. That's why you should understand this in a proper manner. So I don't want you to make use of NASM. I want you to make use of your own assembler, which I will be telling you how to design. But for that purpose, initial data structure design would be required. That's why I'm telling you this whole translation method. Is that okay? So I assume
Yes.
you must have understood now this part completely, correct? Now what will happen with this? We'll target afterwards. Okay, what for this ESP thing? Correct. We'll not address it right now. So you can see. We'll talk about this afterwards. This is like it adds something here. The nomenclature means a SIB follows a mod RM byte. So we are not worrying about that part right now. Okay, what exactly it is, we don't care. Okay, so I'm not addressing this 100 part in this case, this whole row. I'm not addressing that. We address this 101. Rest of the things that you can definitely get. Like if you write combinations of all these registers, EX, ECX, EDX, EBX, ESP, EBP, ESI, EADI with EAX, then you should get these columns, this row. With ECX, this row. Then with EBX, EDX, this row, and so on. With ESP, EBP, you will not get, correct? But ESI, EDI, you definitely will. We already saw this row 2, 05, 0D. Only remaining is this 04. We will address it after a while. Same thing, if you see for all these three mods, you can see that there is something changing. Correct? So same thing is repeated here, only later EBP would be added. Here EBP would be added, but for this part, for mod 0, EBP and ESP is not permitted to be used in a square bracket. But later it would be. So yeah, so now our target was to really see that addition thing, correct? So let me go back here and let us see this code. See, we wrote move EDX comma EBX. We wrote same thing, only I replaced move by add. So you will see that this mod RM was same, kept same. Same thing EX ECX 01 ESI EAX 30 30. This EDX divide my data, EDX divide my data, add. Okay, so 15 was same. So what is happening is like mod RM would be common if your instruction, like if I for a while I don't like let us say this is not visible to you. This is not visible to you. If you this is not visible to you. What is the instruction? But rest of the thing is visible on every line. Operands are only shown. If the operands are like this, then your instruction would be getting this second byte as it is. Second byte as it is. Second byte as it is. Correct? No matter what is there. So if I do that too. Okay, so yeah, so let me pick. Yeah, so let us make this XOR. So I'm talking about instructions which do take two operands. So there can be one operand instructions also. We'll talk about it. XOR XOR. So and or XOR, you pick either of them. So you may see operands are kept same here. Whatever operand that you have here, same operands are here. Fine. Okay, so let us save this. Let us translate. Let us translate this code. Let us open the LST file. Can you see 130130? Now we got something else here. Okay, with this case. So let us not too much worry about this part. Okay, we already have seen that it changes because this would be taken at immediate, but at least concentrate on these three. Okay, 130130, 130130. Even for this part, XOR EDX divide my data, move EDX divide my data. So if I see this 15 is same. Similarly for EBP, 2D is same. Correct? Are you with me? Yes, everyone. Are you with me? I hope you
Sir,
understood what I was trying to tell you.
Sir, I
Sorry,
think there is some lag from your side. Screen.
echo or what?
No, screen lag.
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you anything. Yeah, can you please repeat what you said?
Sir, we all are facing a screen lab from your side, sir.
Okay. So, sorry. Okay, is it visible now?
सर
हाँ, बोलो. आ गया अभी?
नो सर
अभी देखो. अभी भी नहीं है.
हाँ यस सर यस
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Now that I was trying to tell about this move and XOR thing, or even we took add, correct? So we can say that like only what would be changing is this opcode. This would remain same. Now by mistakenly I took this to introduce earlier, but we took that one here. So we are excluding this part now. We are not much worrying about this part, correct? This will be some other different thing. We are not worrying about this. Okay, but otherwise, if I talk about these first three and last two with this set, same thing with this first three and last two. If you see their mod RM is same. Like for example, 15, I can see 15, 2D, 2D, correct? 1, 3, 1, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 3, 0, 3, 0. So if you keep changing instructions only, this mod RM would be same. Only what you have to decide is what should be opcode of this table. Is that fine? So are you with me now?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Everyone?
yes
Okay. Yeah. So now like this covers what we are talking about, that mod 0 part. Fine. So if you can try this combination now. Okay. Now I am giving you these combinations. You generate the code and one now like you can share the files in the chat window. Okay. What I want you to is I want you to generate this line. Okay. Say EDX वाला जो line है ना, ये EDX वाला ये line generate करो पूरा. ओके से रोल नंबर जो भी है मतलब एमएससी के फर्स्ट 1 to 30 में जो है सीरियली अगर हम इमेजिन करते हैं तो यू ट्राई टू जनरेट दिस ईडीएक्स वाला रो, करेक्ट? ईडीएक्स वाला रो एंड सम ऑफ यू ट्राई टू डू विद दिस ईबीएक्स वाला रो, ये आना चाहिए हमको एक्सक्लूडिंग दिस 1C, एक्सक्लूडिंग दिस 1C. Okay, try choose either of them. Like what would be your code? You try to write this. So you pick move. For example, you know the opcode 8B, correct? Because we got that 8B there in our LST. 8B था ना? हाँ, 8B था move के लिए. So you take move only. Now what you have to do is you pick first 8 instructions to be like I want you to generate this code. ये जो EBX वाला रो है ना पूरा वो दिखना चाहिए 03 0B 13 1B 23 2B 33 3B. ये पूरा दिखना चाहिए मुझे. इंस्ट्रक्शंस क्या होगी सीरियली लिखो उसको मुंह में. और सेकंड बात आपको ये करनी है, ये जो EBX वाला कॉलम है पूरा, except this 1C, I want you to display remaining part. Try to write your own code and show me. Understood the problem?
Yes,
What is
sir.
to be
Sir,
done?
you have to submit right now or later on.
Yeah, right. Try now so that we will see like whoever is getting whether I can understand whether have you really understood what I tried to tell you or not. When you are done, you can share it on my in the chat window, or maybe you can share it like on WhatsApp group too. Not a issue. Okay, let me show that PDF again back to you. So your code is like this. So for example, 8B03, 8B 0B, 8B 13, 8B 1B, 8B 23, 8B 2B, 8B 33, and 8B 3B. Another thing would be 8B 18, 8B 19, 8B 1A, 8B 1B, 8B 1D, 8B 1E, and 8B 1F. I want all of these forms from you peoples. How can we get it? You can take screenshot of this file or this one, so that I can stop sharing and work out with the assignment, so that I can show you what is the answer. Okay, so that you can also compare from your end. I'm stopping the screen sharing. I already added that screenshot of the image. Fine. So that I can also work on my side. So what the instructions are.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, somebody was saying something. Okay.
Sir, can you show again the PDF page that?
I shared it in comment. Can you check
Okay.
it?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
I shared a screenshot. You take
Yes,
that
sir.
place. Done. Done with it or you are still working? अपेक्षा हो गया?
No, sir.
शिवदीप, अक्षय, महेश, देवेश, रोहित. I'm waiting for your inputs, huh? Because like otherwise I can show the code that I have created.
Sir, can you take the canvas?
Okay, so you took EAX, ECX, EBX, ESI, EDI. So the column was this one, ना? कोणता घेतलाय तू? EDX वाला column घेतलाय का? Okay, so you took this column, correct?
Yes,
10, 11,
EDX.
12. So you took this one, so it's okay. Like at least I hope you understood now the process, correct? Yeah.
Yes.
Like where is 1.5? What will be there for 1.5? If 1.5 is to be added? Yeah, so Devesh also gave something. देवेश अरे फोटो तर नीट काढायचा रे. आता मान तिरपी करून बघायला लागेल. टाकता येईल का तुला? बरं ठीक आहे. काय व्यायाम करायला लावलास तू मला? Okay, so you kept this EBX common, correct? And you are changing these values. So ESP cannot be written directly, ना? असं लिहायचं नाही ना हा वर्ड. हा पॅरामीटर आपल्याला लिहायचाच नाही असा. अजून ना see, you have not to write this instruction because we never write ESP in square bracket. That's what I told. Fine? देवेश ऐकलंस का?
Yes sir.
असा
But sir,
ESP
D
स्क्वेअर
वरती पण
ब्रॅकेट
लिहायचं
मध्ये
का?
काय नाही काहीच नाही. तिथं आपण व्हेरिएबल घेतला होता बघ इकडे खाली हे लिहायचंच नाही, हे येणारच नाही. If you see that table ना, so see with this table you never see ESP in bracket. Even EBP directly in square bracket is not seen. Can you see that?
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Because we saw instead of EBP we used a variable there. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Am I right? Yeah. So
Yes.
हे तुझे दोघं हे थोडेसे गडबड आहे. Otherwise this seems okay. So let me show you my code. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. Now see
Yes,
the
sir.
numbers which I asked. Because I took EBX column with specifically EBX row common for all, so I got these numbers. And when I said EBX column is kept same and each row is changing, I haven't specifically taken ESP here. You can see like I skipped 1C. That's what I said earlier. We don't know what would be there with 1C, right? How exactly it is to be written with 1C later. We will talk about it maybe when we do talk about more about the other byte. But right now we have to finish first all mods. Understood? Like how many of you got same thing? Rather you can evaluate on yourself. Yeah, by the way, like whether have you written the similar thing? How many of you got correct? So I'm having faith on you. So you can raise your hands in the chat window so that I can
Sir,
check
I do
explicitly.
EDX.
Sorry.
EDX
Sorry?
part I do. EDX part.
Kutla?
02.
I know it's okay. Like here you are talking about, na?
Yeah.
Here.
हाँ.
Here, na?
AB.
So don't like whatever I'm saying. You have to take one of them common, correct? This would be common here. This would be common. Fine. Now you pick what are the values other side, like what are the order is, like you pick any register here instead of ESP, okay, in square bracket. And even EBP, square bracket ESP EBP लिखना नहीं है कभी भी. So you have to write, you can write only EAX, EBX, ECX, EDX, ESI and EDI. And you may have this also in square bracket, like which is a variable name. Fine. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, by the way, yeah, so, sorry, you were asking something. Yes. हे तू काहीतरी विचारत होता ना आता? Yes. Okay, let me see comment window. So yeah, he gave. It's okay. One value is to be kept common. EDX you took common, so that's fine. How many of you got similar answers? By the way, can you please raise your hands? If you have any issue, you can ask me right now so that we can resolve the issue. Okay. Okay, so you translated that code too. Very good, Jaspal. Very good. Okay. So बाकी लोग, रोहित कुठे अडकला? अक्षय,
सर ते डिवॉट
महेश, सॉरी
मी टाकलंय.
टाकलाय का तू?
हो.
Yeah, so we took yours only, na? Yeah. Okay. How about others? Piyusha, can you unmute? Megha, Arjun, sorry, Manwar, not Arjun. Manwar, Deepak, Bhushan. So are you getting it or not? Like at least speak that thing. If you are not understanding, let me know. I can help you out. Not a problem, because you are going to write your own assembler towards the end of this semester. I assume like at least you all are with me. Okay. Can I assume this? Priti Mishra. जो म्यूट नहीं करेगा वो मुझे नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेगा तब मुझे खुद को एक कोई ये मतलब देगा कुछ कैडबरी वगैरह, है ना, जैसे मैंने प्रॉमिस किया था किसी को। चलो जल्दी बताओ। हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दैट? आर यू लाइक हियरिंग मी? आई डोंट नो, लाइक एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir.
जसपाल, फिर बात क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? मतलब कुछ आज व्रत है क्या कोई?
नहीं सर, हो गया ना, सबमिट किया। अब जिनके नाम ले
सबका?
रहे हैं उनका।
कहाँ
हाँ,
पर
आई थिंक
सबमिट किया?
सर वो वर्ड,
व्हाट्सएप पर?
नहीं व्हाट्सएप में नहीं, यहाँ पर मैसेज में डाउनवर्ड। अच्छा हाँ, यहाँ पे किया।
कमी है ना रे, बाकी लोगों का किधर है? मैंने बहुत सारे नाम लिया अभी।
हाँ वो लिख रहे होंगे आई थिंक।
ओके ओके, अब बोलना तो चाहिए, मुझे पता कैसे चले?